I'm excited about augmented reality because unlike virtual reality, which closes the world out, AR allows individuals to be present in the world, but hopefully allows an improvement on what's happening presently. National security always matters, obviously. But the reality is that if you have an open door in your software for the good guys, the bad guys get in there, too. People love our products. They love using our services. All of this, to me, equals great opportunity. Anything can change, because the smartphone revolution is still in the early stages. I learned that focus is key. Not just in your running a company, but in your personal life as well. You can only do so many things great, and you should cast aside everything else. Our values are that we do think that people have a right to privacy, and that our customers are not our products. To whom much is given, much is expected. I do believe this. It's embedded in me. This is Steve's company. This is still Steve's company. It was born that way. It's still that way. And so his spirit, I think, will always be the DNA of this company. I think two people with strong points of view can appreciate each other even more. If you embrace that the things that you can do are limitless, you can put your ding in the universe. You can change the world. Companies that get confused, that think their goal is revenue or stock price or something. You have to focus on the things that lead to those. All of us technology companies need to create some tools that help diminish the volume of fake news. We must try to squeeze this without stepping on freedom of speech and of the press, but we must also help the reader. I think the iPhone is the best consumer product ever. That's what I feel about it. And it's become so integrated and integral to our lives, you wouldn't think about leaving home without it. Let your joy be in your journey, not in some distant goal. The North Star has always been the same, which for us, is about making insanely great products that really change the world in some way, enrich people's lives. Everybody in technology seems to want big numbers. Steve never got carried away with that. He focused on making the best. You can converge a toaster and a refrigerator, but those things are probably not going to be pleasing to the user. Work takes on new meaning when you feel you are pointed in the right direction. Otherwise, it's just a job, and life is too short. We're very simple people at Apple. We focus on making the world's best products and enriching people's lives.